Welcome to our Asset Management app tutorial, a user-friendly interface that creates hierarchical profiles tailored to employees' job roles. Let's dive into the process right away.
We'll start by creating a new employee ID by adding your name, department, email address, and location. Once that is done, save the details to create your employee profile. Now, let's proceed to the My Asset category to add your asset information. For this, you have to go to New My Asset, which outlines 3 subcategories as you can see on the screen. Based on your asset in use, select a record type and fill in the information such as your employee name, manufacturer, and whatever else. Click to save and find all your added and related details on the next screen. But what if you need to know about an asset's history? Our app helps you in keeping track of that as well. Upon creating an asset, our app generates a unique QR code. Scanning this code provides instant access to basic asset details, ensuring a quick overview for anyone in need. So, if any of your assets get missing or lost, you can track the details of the employee securely owing that asset. Through our asset dashboard, you can view the status of all the assets in use, though it is the count on mobile phones, laptops, or accessories. Simple, isn't it? DianApps Asset Management app aims to promote security at its core. Once the QR is scanned, making any changes to the asset information requires a secure login to your Salesforce account. This ensures that your data remains safe and protected.